Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete unremovable files on your Android device. First of all, we must find the file what you can't delete. Go to your file location. Now I can see this file. Let's try to delete this. It's deleted successfully. Let's see it's working or not. Now you can see it's once again come to my storage. Let's try to delete this option using empty manager. Select delete. Now you can see it's not working. Now you must install Sdmate on your Android device. You can download this application from this video description. After that, open it. Then open this menu and go to storage analyze option. Click here. Next, select Sdcard. Done. Now you can see this. Then go to your internet storage and find that file. Download. Now you can see that file what you can't delete. Then delete it using Sdmate file manager. Now your file is deleted successfully. Let's recheck it. Now you can see that file was gone. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join with me for future updates and many more new tricks.